Hi, I'm Chris with Carnival Cruise Line, and this is episode 281 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the Yak's mouth. John Heald, Carnival Cruise Line's brand ambassador, posts on his Facebook page where you can ask him questions. He answers the questions. We read the questions. We take the cool, the funny, the weird, the lies, the myths, and we put them here for you. So on today's episode, we're talking about, it's my first time in a Havana cabin. Can I go there as soon as I get on the ship? Sunrise at the end of October. Will there be a Halloween costume contest and trick-or-treating? Is there a way to donate to St. Jude without waiting in that hot line on the Lido deck? With the Carnival Rewards program, is there a full catalog of everything you can get with your rewards points? And we need a diamond buffet line.
And this is straight from the Yak's mouth.
All right, question one. This cruiser is sailing on the Mardi Gras for their son's 12th birthday and it is their first time in a Havana cabin. They wanted to know if you can use the Havana area when they first board the ship. John said, yes, indeed you can. It will be open and ready. We've done the Havana cabins on a couple different classes ships. I would say if you have the opportunity, book it, especially on the Vista class. I think that layout is much better than the Excel class ones. It's got a pool, you got your own bar, hot tubs, and it's exclusive for those that have booked the Havana area. I recommend it strongly, but will it be ready when you walk on the ship? Yes, it will. Question two. This cruiser is going on the Sunrise at the end of October and wanted to know if there will be a costume contest and trick-or-treating during this time. They really enjoyed it on the last Halloween cruise they went on, and there was trick-or-treating, and they enjoyed giving out their own candy as well. John said, yes, indeed there will be. I think it's almost for the entire month of October. Halloween is actually kind of fun on the ships. Like they said, they have the costume contest, the trick-or-treating, but the only thing that's kind of weird, that weirds out Liz too, is Patch, which is the giant pumpkin-headed thing that sits in the atrium. Yeah, it's creepy. It's definitely creepy. But if you like Halloween and you like trick-or-treating and costume contest on a ship, you can do it in October. Speaking of if you like what you see and you enjoy cruising content, please like and subscribe. We would greatly appreciate it. Question three. This cruiser wanted to know if there was a way to donate to the St. Jude's without waiting in those long lines on Lido during the groove for St. Jude. They want to donate, but sometimes they just forget or the wait gets too long and it's way too hot. So they want to know, hey, is there anywhere else I can do this without going onto the Lido? John said, yes, it was very kind of you to ask. You can go to the cherry on top and they will do the donation there for you. We've definitely done this before where we didn't get up to the deck for the groove for St. Jude. You can go there, you can straight donate, or you can get your t-shirt and part of that t-shirt purchase goes towards St. Jude. So yeah, just go to cherry on top. Question four. This cruiser, the Cam Fam again, asked about the new Carnival Rewards program. There are some examples on the site, they said, but any idea when the full catalog for what you can exchange the rewards points for will be out? John said, not yet, but please do keep checking the website as more information will be definitely shared as they get it. We're kind of excited to see what you can get for your points because, I don't know. They've never done that before. So while the loyalty is I think the rewards points, and I know you'll be able to buy excursions and dinners and stuff like that. It's going to be really cool to see what the full catalog is when it comes out. Last question, if you will. This cruiser said a diamond buffet line would be great. Diamonds should always come first. John said, don't worry about standing in line. Just go lay on the Lido deck, have a nap, sleep with your mouth open, and they will arrange for the crew to drop bits of food in. It's the least we can do for Diamond members. Obviously, this was kind of a joke, but I thought it was funny, and so did Liz, so that's why it's here. It's not a question, but it's funny because you get those, I mean, we're Diamond, don't get me wrong, but you get those Diamond people. Oh my God, we're Diamond, we are the best. No, you're not. Anyway, that's been episode 281 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the Yak's mouth. Thanks for watching. Please take care.